it said he collected 12,000. And then when they say he's collected it, that means he got it. If I told you I collected $10 from Joey, wouldn't you think that I got the money?
Yeah.
Okay, so if he collected $12,000 for games played, and this is all recognized in July, that means he got the money in July.
Okay, so if it said like he billed
If he
12,000,
right, then that would not be. That would be something he did not get yet.
okay.
So like in this case, that's 12,000. Okay, Tiffany, do you have a question? Or is that just your hand up?
No, I'm sorry. That was still from before.
Okay, just checking. It beeped at me. All right. What about the next one? It said billed customers for $250 for a party that was held on the last day of the month. That bill is going to be paid in August. Now, what I said to Adam might be slightly different than what this said. So if we bill them for a party that was held on the last day of August, do we recognize it?
No.
Remember what revenue recognition said. We recognize it when we earn it. When did we earn that money? The last
day.
July, right. So it doesn't matter when we build and when they're going to pay us. Okay? Which I hope that's not what you were asking before, and I said that wrong, Adam. All right? So we can bill them whenever. It's when did they do the work. All right, now this one, the Men and Women's Bowling League gave advance payments of $1,500 for a season that starts in September.
No, because we don't know if it was in July or not.
Well, right, because the season's going to start in September. So they're actually going to recognize that money in September when they start playing. All right, even though they got the money,
They haven't earned it yet.
they haven't earned it yet. Yep. And what happens if Bill's bowling alley burns down?
He doesn't get the money.
Well, he actually got the money. He'd have to pay him back. Yep, they'd have to pay him back. Yep. All right, and then Bill received $1,000 from credit sales made to customers last month in June.
So, no.
No. When was that revenue?
June.
June. Yep. All right, Adam, did you have a question?
No, I don't know why it keeps doing that.
Okay. There's a little button you can put your hand down, too. Maybe that's it. I don't know. All right, so then let's scroll this down. All right, so now we're looking at expenses. And it says a broken pipe. We paid a plumber $1,500 to come out and repair a broken pipe. Would that be an expense in July? Let me ask you this question. When will you have a plumber come out if you break a pipe? Are you going to wait? Oh my God, are you kidding me? Right. So the $2,000 bill is June's bill, and that would have been recognized as an expense in June. And the bill that came in July for $2,500, that's the actual expense in July, and we'll pay it in August. It doesn't matter when you pay it. It's when did you use up the expense. And that electricity bill in July is when we use July's electricity. So that's why that expense goes in July. The June one was already done in June. All right, so let's